Time for the weather now, and we're about to swap wind chill for morning frost, Graham.
Yes, and it's going to spread right through to the more eastern parts of Sydney and pretty much over most of New South Wales as well. But for Sydney, before we see that, we've actually got a couple of showers. They're developing at the moment along the very southeastern suburbs, so around the Cronulla area through to the city. These are with the front that's moving through the Tasman Sea. Now, there was a little bit of patchy frost about parts of the northwest this morning. Minimums dropped to 1.3 at Richmond. Our tops range from 16.9 to 19.6. The frost was mostly confined to the ranges today, especially the northern tablelands and the Snowy Mountains. It's been a generally dry and mostly sunny day, although we have had some areas of cloud, and maximum temperatures for most of the state sat within about 2 degrees of average. There's a high pressure system over the west of the state. It's in a weakening mode, but another high in the Bight will strengthen, and that will see an easing of the winds. That's why we're expecting to see fairly widespread potential for frost over the coming days. Now, late Friday, the eastern high pressure system dissipates, but that Bight high will dominate the state through the weekend. But what it will also do is maintain a southerly wind flow, and that could lead to a couple of possible weekend coastal showers. Now, frost warnings have been issued for parts of South Australia and Victoria. We've got widespread frost in Tasmania as well. It'll even reach into the southern inland of Queensland. And the frost will become more widespread tomorrow morning for New South Wales as lighter winds allow overnight cold air to settle. We've still got that hazardous surf along the coast, although it will start to ease in the south. So in the northeast, frost on the tablelands and also the upper Hunter with the partly cloudy to sunny day. A possible isolated coastal shower between about Nelson Bay and Port Macquarie. And strong southerly winds will continue on all the waters. We've got some widespread frost on the tablelands and the coastal ranges. It should be a dry and mostly sunny day to follow though, and we are looking at generally light winds, although we have got strong winds south of Point Perpendicular offshore, but they'll be onshore as well through the Illawarra waters. Now, frost for most of the slopes and the plains, but they're less likely further west. We've got dry and sunny conditions with mostly light winds forecast. And for Sydney, the strong winds on the coastal waters will continue, so will the hazardous surf. We've got overnight lows ranging from 3 to 11. Our tops should reach about 15 to 18. It should be a dry day, although partly cloudy, and moderate south to southwesterly winds. And so south to southwesterly winds will keep the minimums just that little bit warmer tomorrow, but they really drop from Friday all the way through to Sunday. We're looking at widespread frost, particularly around the Richmond area where we could see temperatures dropping to sub-zero. As we roll through Sunday and Monday, a possible coastal shower, but for the most part, most of New South Wales looking at a dry long weekend.
Thanks, Graham. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.